Hello YouTube, welcome to the channel. Now then, you're going to have to excuse the mess, unfortunately. I'm just sorting some stuff out in the garage. I've been sent some speciality brushes from Rollingdog. If you don't know who Rollingdog are, they are a Chinese company that make decorating tools. They supply loads of different things like covers, brushes, paint sets, you name it, they do with regards to decorating. Now, they have sent me some stuff in the past, which I've been suitably impressed with, I must admit, because the quality seems to be bang on, and they don't cost the earth either, which is the most important thing. So anyway, they sent me these speciality brushes. Normally, I like to try them all before I make a review on them, but I haven't as yet got round to using this pro angled brush that they've sent me. Basically, you push a button and you can adjust the angle of the brush head. I'm trying to do it one-handed, it's very difficult. It basically sits on the end of a pole, a standard threaded decorator's pole, and it's for what I can only presume is hard to reach cutting in, or hard to reach places that you might need to have a brush on the end of a pole. But that to me seems quite useful, the fact that you can adjust the angle of the head. But like I say, it's so specialised, that one I haven't quite got round to finding a use for it yet. But I have used these two. Now, they call these a ferrule brush. I can't bloody say it. I would say it's a radiator brush, and that's precisely what I've used them for, is to get to the backs of radiators. And they've sent me these detail brushes here. They call them Fitch brush. Now, I have used these to do some intricate painting round light switches, etc., and they've been exceptional. Also, the wife has used them to paint some decoration on a set of drawers, and again, they did an absolute bang-up job. All the Rollingdog brushes, they seem to be really good quality. They don't lose any of the bristles either, which is a bonus. We can just quickly go and see the radiator brush in action, and then I'll get back to you and tell you what I think of them. Okay, well, I do have a little radiator I've got to get behind, so let's give these brushes a whirl. That's about as far as I can get this brush in, to be honest. It's very tight behind the back of this radiator. It's really tight behind here, and it is quite difficult to paint and film, never mind talk at the same time. Right then, what did I think of these Rollingdog brushes? Well, as usual, the quality is pretty much bang on. They don't cost the earth. I will leave links in the description to where you can go and get these things from. They're not the sort of brushes that you need every day, granted, but when you do need them, they really do come in handy. I mean, especially like a radiator brush. I mean, if you need a long brush, you need a long brush, don't you? And I'm sure at some point I shall be using this thing. Like I say, they are good quality. They won't break the bank, and when you do need something like this, like I say, they're invaluable. As ever, a big thumbs up to Rollingdog for supplying these brushes for review. Like I say, I will leave links in the description to where you can go and get them from. If you've enjoyed the video and you found it of some use and interest, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you're feeling that way inclined, hit that subscribe button for more similar future content. Once again, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you again very soon.